If you are an empath or a highly sensitive person, then this could be the most important financial advice that you'll hear this year. And no, it is not about getting rich. But what are these terms? A highly sensitive person is someone whose nervous system processes things more deeply. You notice the subtleties, you feel emotions more strongly, and you get overstimulated very easily. An empath is someone who is especially attuned to other people's emotions and can absorb them without even trying. If you've ever felt like the world feels slightly louder or heavier to you compared to others, then this could be you. I'll link some resources down below if you'd like to read. And by the way, if you're new here, hi, I'm Deepshikha, and I talk about healing, yoga, emotional well-being in a practical and grounded way. Now here's the advice. Save 25% of your income. It doesn't matter whether you're earning a lot or you're earning a little. Every time you get paid, just keep aside 1/4 and completely forget about it. You can keep it somewhere safe like a savings account or a low risk investment and plan your expenses around the remaining 3/4. Why? Because this money helps you protect your boundaries. When you don't have savings, you tolerate things that you shouldn't. You constantly live in survival mode. You say yes to that overtime that your boss is coercing you to do. You stay in environments that clearly exhaust you. You push through situations because you are too scared to lose stability. And this makes you go down this rabbit hole of overthinking. Savings reduce fear. And when fear reduces, your nervous system relaxes. You may say, hey Deepshikha, doesn't this apply to everybody? Yes, it does. But this is non-negotiable for an empath and an HSP. Because financial instability hits your system harder. A highly sensitive person or an empath absorbs more stress. And having this buffer helps you create psychological safety. And when you feel psychologically safe, you function better, you think more clearly, you are able to stick to your boundaries more firmly. I learned this the hard way. When I quit my job, I barely had any savings. I was lucky enough to have support, but not everybody does. And this made me realize that highly sensitive nervous systems, they need financial stability to function optimally. So over time, try to build at least 1 year of savings, and you can do this gradually. You can think of it as your safety fund. And this is not because you're weak, but because your nervous system works differently. Highly sensitive people and empaths usually need more downtime, and sometimes they need more self-care. And a part of this savings can support you during those phases when you need extra care. Many work environments are fast-paced and overstimulating, and highly sensitive people can absolutely succeed. But success is sustainable when you feel safe to set boundaries. And boundaries are easier when you're not financially anxious. So saving is not selfish. Saving is self-protection. And if you're someone who feels deeply and wants to build a life that feels safe for your nervous system, then you're at the right place and you're welcome to stay. And I'm curious, what would change in your life if you felt financially safe?